We are DIYing Euphoria-inspired outfits.
Did they know who they were picking for this challenge?
As y'all can see, we're in a bit of a predicament.
This is definitely not the most technical way to do it.
Unbreak my heart. Okay, today we are channeling our inner home economics / Project Runway to recreate some Euphoria character fashion in our clever DIY Euphoria challenge. Euphoria is one of those shows that just sweeps the nation. Everybody's obsessed with it, everybody watches it.
And their fashion is iconic.
We each will be assigned a Euphoria character to inspire us. We have 30 seconds to grab whatever items we want to use in our DIY creation. Whatever we grab in that 30 seconds is what we have to use in our outfit. Gotta make the look in 30 minutes. And note, these looks will be inspired by the character's overall style, not made to be exact from any photos.
Listen, Lauren, I have a feeling that you have a slight advantage because, I don't know, you're a fashion designer, you make your own clothes and you have a clothing line. So like you're gonna do this so easy.
Okay, first of all, thank you. However, the clothes they wear on the show are like insane, so it's gonna be difficult.
She's being humble.
World Store.
It's time to find out which Euphoria characters we will be. Should I tell you? I love
Not
her.
fair! What did you get?
I'm gonna be Maddie!
Yes, oh my god,
yes,
that's such a cute
yes.
photo too!
I freaking love Maddie! Oh, there's multiple photos.
Let me see, for inspiration.
I love that fit.
Oh.
That's perfect.
I don't see those outfits here, but
Frankly, it's offensive.
Okay, moment of truth.
Oh my god!
Yes!
Okay.
I love me some jewels.
Cute.
Literally, she always has the cutest little like girly fits.
yeah, cute.
Oh, adorable.
I've got this, I've got this.
I have a feeling I have Cassie.
I hope so.
I have Cassie.
Yes!
The cutest.
Yeah, it's
Cassie.
cute. Let me look through her stuff. Yeah, she's like
Damn.
kind of girly. If
Yeah.
you really think about it, like glitzy,
Yeah.
girly pink. She does wear a lot of pinks.
All right, you guys looked at everything?
Yeah.
I mean,
We gotta-
I glanced at it.
We gotta get going. We have 30 seconds.
Ah, okay.
3, 2, 1.
I'm sorry. I'm all aggressive and then I'm sorry that we're not going anywhere.
Okay. Oh,
I already hate it.
okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I hate it.
5 seconds.
Wait!
2,
drop this?
1, and...
I know what I'm gonna do, but it's gonna come on my body somehow.
I literally look disgusting.
Okay, so let's get started.
I got my girl Maddie, as you can see behind me. Freaking love her. Let me break it down. I have 2 book covers, CCC. I thought these were very Maddie-esque patterns. I have 2 of these puffy pins. I have 1 strand of denim floral arrangements. And I have this gold like wrapping paper. And then I have these handy dandy hair ties. As y'all can see, we're in a bit of a predicament.
I don't know.
Alrighty then. Okay, so I got these 2 puffy pens. I picked these because I saw this fabric and I felt like out of all the fabrics, this felt most like Cassie. I knew that I was gonna need like some kind of ties probably to hold things together. I also got this book sock, so I might actually turn this into a little clutch action. So I think like a puffy sleeve action, and then use the rest of the fabric to do some kind of bra thing. I'm digging it.
Okay, so I really like Jules' style because she wears a lot of like dresses and skirts and like cute patterns. So what I was thinking when I was like looking at the table is, okay, I want something that I can like easily make like a cute, either like a matching set or a dress out of. And I was like obviously frantically looking for stuff, but I think I kind of lucked out when I chose this print because it's cow print on one side. However, I opened it up and we have plaid on the other side. I think I made like a really, really good irrational kind of like choice right away.
All right, so let's go ahead and heat this hot glue gun up because I'm gonna need it.
I feel like I gotta take off my jacket. Gotta get comfortable.
I'm gonna sketch out a little idea that I'm thinking.
If I'm gonna make this into a pencil skirt, I'm gonna have to cut the bottom open.
So I have my little idea.
Can I just slather glue all over my body and then just douse myself in glitter?
You better be joking.
I think the top should hit here and then like go to here. So I measured it backwards.
Oh my God, do I not have to sew this? Is it gonna fit? Oh! Oh! Ow!
I have a, not to like flash you guys, but you're about to see in the episode anyway, I have the strapless bra underneath. Hi ladies. And I think I'm going to literally cut this and wrap my bra in the fabric to like make a top. And then I think I'm gonna use this for a bottom situation somehow.
This is definitely not the most technical way to do it, and I hope that no one who I work with on my own designs ever sees this video.
I wish I was skilled. I wish I was an artist and could put clothes together like this. I'm not. Did they know who they were picking for this challenge?
Oh, and maybe I can use this as like a choker, yes? Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Let's see where the straps should go.
I hear Drew singing next door. She sounds like she's having a good time over there.
Unbreak my heart, say you love me again.
Under these tears,
I've cried so many nights.
unbreak my heart.
Yes, duet through the wall.
You got a new best friend.
Okay, so we're gonna pop one of these babies in here. This is giving me real elementary school nostalgia right now, like the glue gun.
Oh my God, these scissors are so dull.
Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, I literally butchered this.
I'm just gonna use a cheat code and see how long these straps are. Very smart, Lauren, very smart.
Coming along nicely, right? This bra, so cute.
Okay, so we have the top drying. I need to use so many other elements. Oh my God, hello.
Okay, great, those are my sleeves. Whatever, I'm gonna make a little bandeau. I don't have time, I don't have time, don't have time.
All right, who's ready for school? Euphoria, hi. Oh my God. I feel like Jules is definitely going to, she's not going to class, but she's definitely like gonna be in the hallway just kind of like,
Yes.
her backpack.
Oh my gosh, just like that.
Little backpack. I kind of like lucked out with this print. I'm not gonna lie, because when I flipped over, it was a different, you know, it was like a same color thing. Yeah. Same color.
Right.
Same color, but different print.
Oh, that's
so
dope.
it was like,
Very cool.
Jules definitely kind of like mixes prints, but goes with like the same monotone.
She does.
Situation.
I look at you and I see Jules. I swear. This is literally something that she would wear.
This is bomb.
Yeah, so I did that. I know how my little
puff puffs.
She does her hair in like these little space buns, but I
Yes.
cannot for the life of me do them, so I went with ponytails.
So cute.
I love it.
I know.
I love it.
And the little like rhinestone sleeves.
Which is such a cute detail that
Yeah.
brings it all together. Like, stop, I want this outfit.
Thank you. It's
This is
sticking to my
impressive.
hair a little bit, but it works. So in like very Jules fashion, I was kind of like unsure and like busy and like a little anxious.
What happened, Lauren?
I didn't really use all my items. Like I maybe didn't use the tissue paper.
So I'm Maddie, and Maddie, you know, she tends to be kind of naked, and I didn't get a lot of fabric, which was on me, but it worked out because it's perfect for the character. I took my wrapping paper, and I wrapped it around myself multiple times. I used a glue gun, which don't use a glue gun on wrapping paper because you will burn your ass. It happened a couple times. Took the bookcases, and I cut them so that it's like a flat fabric, and then I wrapped them around my bra.
Smart.
Yeah, so
It's
then-
seamless all the way around.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then I
It
took
doesn't look like she cut anything or tailored it. Looks like
See,
it's...
you and I are not turning around.
No, absolutely not. You like the fact that you got a bra that looks like it's
Yeah.
actually made and done is incredible.
And then to make it like actually look cinch like a sweetheart neckline, I took one of the little scrunchy thingies and I did the whole little tie trick to do that. So then the choker, this was like a last minute thing because I got this damn denim floral strip and I was like, what am I gonna do with it? So I just wrapped it around my neck and I glue gunned my neck, which I
No,
did
you
learn.
didn't.
I sure did. It's glued to me. And then same thing with my space buns.
So
I just
cute.
stuck them in like a pin cushion. The purse, I just folded and cinched things to make a bow. And at first I was gonna put on my butt because it's like real short in the back. But then I was like, no, make a purse.
It's
Yeah,
so
I
cute.
love the
I
purse.
love the
Puppy.
purse. It's my favorite.
Bada bing, bada boo. She's ready for school.
I have never, ever been happier. All right, well, I'm Cassie. And, you know, I picked this print because I felt like it was the closest print to her. So I started off with that. I made a cute little sleeve, and I was like, oh, you know, in one of the pictures, she had, like, a silhouette that was like this. So I wanted the silhouette top to, like, embody something that she would wear. And then I was like, oh, there's a pillowcase. Make it into a skirt. Make it into a two-piece set.
As you do.
You know, I put a little slit, like
That is so impressive.
You know,
She's a designer.
The back of the top is like drooping.
I know.
No, it looks
that was not intentional.
It looks intentional.
Honestly,
Wait,
looks
what
like-
does it look like in the back?
It looks like intentional.
Oh,
draped
okay.
top.
Great.
This is very impressive.
So,
Yeah.
and then I got the little book cover and I made it into what I thought would be a clutch, but it's not. I had to figure out how to put the glitter on because I wanted to keep with the theme of the pink and the blue. Like that was my theme. And so I put fabric glue on top of this whole thing thinking
Yeah.
it would stick.
Yeah.
Didn't.
That's the craziest idea I've ever heard.
Stop the madness! It is a Friday in Black History Month, so you know I gotta shout out my people. I'm talking Black creators, Black businesses, and I personally want to shout out one of my favorite creators, Oliver Twixt. He's a YouTuber, he's an artist, he has his own music, he's been on a few reality shows. He's dope, so go subscribe. Hey, Oliver.
I want to shout out a Black-owned business called Shop Omorphia. The founder, Francisca, makes all her products at home, and they're awesome, like soaps, lotions, etc. I have like 5 on back stock in my house.
Okay, wait, but I gotta ask you,
Yeah.
how does this compare to being a real fashion designer?
This was insanely harder. But I will say that the stress level is similar in a way. Like you're like, oh my god, I gotta get the fit right. I forgot these things. Like
yeah.
this has to be the right measurement. So like it did give like a little taste of fashion design.
Yeah.